Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about week 3 of the One Funnel Away challenge. Now, week 3 was all about building out our funnel. So we had to create a Clickfunnels account if we didn't have one, and we had to go in and just build everything from beginning to end. So the first day of the funnel, they talked about the core funnel strategy. So the whole strategy of creating a funnel serves two purposes. It's to generate a lead and to make a sale. So generating a lead comes from the squeeze page where we offer something for free and we ask them for their name and their email. So we generate a lead and we put them in our email system to send them drip emails in the future. And the second part is to create a sale. So that's where the sales page comes into play and the one-time offer upsell page. And then the second day, they went into talking about more about the share funnel. So they gave us about 4 to 5 different designs. So we had to pick one of those 5. And I just picked the first one. All of them had a very clean design. Each one had certain themes to it. And I just picked one that looked good. And I downloaded that. And just a little backstory. So I started using ClickFunnels about maybe 2 to 3 years ago. I've used it for a lot of my clients, and I already know the ins and outs of ClickFunnels. So going into this week, I was pretty confident. I didn't really had to worry or be a little too concerned about what I could do or what kind of roadblocks I would kind of face. So building out the funnel was actually pretty easy for me. The hardest part was actually, it was easy, but it was very time consuming. So I had to really go in every single day and just add the copy. The copy was kind of tricky because I built out my sales, the bridge, my Epiphany bridge script, but then I had to add it in there. And when I was building out the copy specifically for the sales page, I had to go back and rewrite some of the copy, make some tweaks. And I think when you see it all laid out on the page, that's when you kind of get a little bit more creativity coming along. So I had to rewrite a lot of certain bits to it. Even the headlines, the hooks, I basically had to rewrite it. So everything that I created from week 2, I kind of recreated it and everything was fresh because I had a better idea of, okay, where is everything going to be laid out? So I had to basically rewrite the whole copy that I rewrote the week prior. And that took a lot of time. And also the offer creation, I did have to create the audio versions of the 2 ebooks that I was gonna sell. So I had to create the audio versions of that, and that took time. And also the little parts like creating a domain, you need to make sure you have a domain. If you want to create a subdomain, which I did, I created a subdomain so I could have my official WordPress page running, but at the same time using that domain, but using the ClickFunnels for the subdomain. So I did that and creating the footer too. So creating like the terms and conditions page, privacy policy page. There's a couple of trainings in there where they taught you how to create those legal documents, and we did that. So it's really, just put my head down and just build everything out. So it definitely took a lot of time, and I didn't finish. Honestly, I didn't finish. The third week I only finished maybe the squeeze page, and I had to use week 4 to finish everything. So it was a lot of work, especially if you kind of have a sales copy or just copy in general. But when you go in there, you kind of get all of these ideas of like, okay, I could maybe change this headline or use this hook. So, but it was easier though, just having everything laid out visually. It makes you more creative in terms of, okay, what am I supposed to be saying? Is this too long or is this too short? So yeah, it definitely was a really busy week. But yeah, if you have any questions about week 3, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video where I will go over week 4. Thank you.